Hello, welcome to another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to choose a different question, perhaps you've already done this one before, click on the information card here and that'll take you to the playlist. If you're going to try and do the question yourself, I suggest you pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you want to listen to my explanation, keep watching. Which list puts the forces in order of increasing magnitude? So you can see we've got 2 piconewtons, femtonewtons, teranewtons and giganewtons. So this question is testing your knowledge of the SI standard prefixes. So let's go through them, starting with the smallest. F is for femto, and that is 10 to the minus 15. P is for pico, and that is 10 to the minus 12. Mu, no, sorry, I've missed one out. I've missed out nano, which is 10 to the minus 9. Mu for micro is 10 to the minus 6. Little m is milli, and that is 10 to the minus 3. Then we start getting the bigger numbers. K is for kilo, which is 10 to the 3. Big M is for mega, which is 10 to the 6. G is for giga, which is 10 to the 9, and T is for tera, which is 10 to the 12. Okay, so these are the ones you've got to know. Perhaps a quick way of approaching this question, if I wasn't explaining it but I was doing this in an exam, would be to identify the smallest values, which are the femtos, and the biggest values, which are the teras, and then seeing which ones have them at the beginning and at the end in the correct place. It's D, so D is the correct answer. If this video was useful, click on that subscribe button please, share with your friends, click on the like button and certainly watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.